Ngayon, papakita ko po kung paano po maglaro ng pagiging sheriff sa Murder Mystery 2. At ang Murder Mystery 2 ay di po ganon kadali laro. Kasi ito po ay mahirap dahil meron pong mga spam jumper. Pati mga spammer siya or camper. At ngayon po, nag-join po tayo sa at naglaro po tayo. At ang sheriff po ay hindi po madali. Dahil po, iba pong mga player ay hindi po magaling sa pag-aim ng baril. Ngayon po, nakita niyo po, ay hindi po ako marunong masyado mag-sheriff. Kaya hindi ko po siya natamaan kasi po hindi rin po ako marunong mag-aim. At ang ating murderer ay namatay rin sa ating magaling na tagakuha ng baril. Guys, okay lang po kahit may nagbabash sa akin na mga tropa ko, at least kayo may nagsusubscribe. Guys, like, share, and subscribe. And click the notification bell button for more videos I update. Guys, you see, the sheriff is not good, or it's hard to be sheriff because if you're not good aim, you can shoot the murderer. If you're a good aim on sheriff, you can shoot easily the murderer. Guys, you see, the murder is not so hard if you're a camper of the knife. I mean the gun. If you're a camper of the gun. Because if the last player that get the gun, because you can, here is the innocent now. How to be a innocent easily win. You need to camp and don't get the gun, because if you get the gun, you can get killed. Because the murderer is targeters. Because there's a targeters. You see, the murderer is a camper. The camper is waiting for the player that get the gun, or they go to their place and they kill the player. Not wait me and you see how to be a murderer easily to win or not the game in MM2 or Murder Mystery 2. Let's wait the murderer to be get killed by the sheriff. You see, the murderer is a camper. Oh, you see, if you are good aim, you can kill the camper or targeter murderer. You see, the players are waiting for the game to be a innocent or murderer or sheriff. Guys, just wait for me to be a murderer, because not at all of the players is not good aim, and not at all is a bad aim. So if they're not good at sheriff, there's good on murderer or innocent. Not all is a good aim or bad aim, because someone is good at innocent and good at sheriff or good at murderer, because not all is easily to be a good or not good on one, or like murderer, you're not good and you're good in sheriff, or you're good in innocent. Just I say, if you're not good at murder or sheriff, you're good in or murder or sheriff. Just like I say, train if you're not good in one, Like, if you're not good in murder, you're not good in sheriff, just train. You can be good in that. Goodbye, guys. I continue in my next video the murder. Goodbye. That's all. Thank you for watching.